Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. When it comes to modern, chic, and effortlessly glamorous fashion, Kriti Sanon continues to set the bar high with her stunning bodycon dress choices. Known for her tall frame and statuesque figure, Kriti pulls off bodycon silhouettes with a natural flair that blends elegance with a bold, confident vibe. Whether it's for red carpet events, magazine shoots, movie promotions, or casual appearances, she has shown a consistent love for form-fitting dresses that perfectly accentuate her curves while maintaining a balance between class and sensuality. One of her most talked about looks was the metallic silver bodycon gown she wore at an awards night, featuring a high slit and a sculpted neckline. It was a futuristic blend of shimmer and sophistication, and she carried it with an aura of poise and grace. In contrast, she's also been spotted in softer, pastel-toned bodycon dresses. Think baby pinks, lilacs, and powder blues that bring out her feminine charm. These dresses, often with minimalistic details like ruched sides or subtle cutouts, highlight her sense of refined taste. Kriti doesn't shy away from experimenting with textures, either from ribbed knits for winter fashion to sequin sparkle for night outs. Her wardrobe is a versatile mix of glam and casual chic. She often complements her bodycon dresses with sleek hairstyles, whether it's a high ponytail, a slick back bun, or flowing waves, and her makeup choices usually remain dewy and fresh, adding to the modern glam factor. Footwear plays an important role too. Kriti prefers classic stiletto heels or ankle-strap sandals that enhance her posture and maintain the sophistication of the outfit. Her choice of accessories is often understated yet impactful. She opts for layered dainty necklaces, minimal rings, and sometimes bold statement earrings depending on the dress. What makes Kriti's fashion stand out is her ability to adapt the bodycon style to different moods. She can go from fierce to playful to elegant, just with her outfit and attitude. Whether she's donning a black off-shoulder bodycon for a date night or a bright neon green number for a party, Kriti always makes sure to stay ahead of trends while adding her personal flair to each look. Her Instagram feed is a treat for fashion enthusiasts, filled with style inspiration that proves why she's considered one of the most fashionable actresses in the industry today. She's also often seen in designer labels like Alex Perry, Herb Ledger, and Manish Malhotra's contemporary line, each offering her a unique way to highlight her personality through fashion. Even in promotional events for her films, Kriti has embraced bodycon co-ord sets and midi dresses that are simple yet impactful. Some of her standout looks also include bold colors like wine red, emerald green, and royal blue hues that flatter her complexion and lend a touch of grandeur to her fashion persona. The silhouette of her dresses often focuses on strategy-cut sweetheart necklines, corset bodices, and asymmetrical hems, designed to flatter without being overtly dramatic. Her style team understands the essence of power dressing, and bodycon is often their go-to strategy to deliver maximum impact with minimal effort. Through every look, Kriti Sanon communicates confidence, control, and an innate understanding of fashion that continues to inspire millions. Her bodycon dress fashion is not just about aesthetics, it's a strong statement of self-assurance, modern femininity, and bold individuality. She proves time and again that fashion is not just about wearing trends, it's about owning them with grace and attitude, and she does it flawlessly every single time. When it comes to stage performances, Kriti Sanon knows how to captivate the audience not just with her electrifying moves but also with her dazzling fashion choices. Her stage dance outfits are the perfect fusion of glamour, drama, and high-octane energy, carefully curated to elevate her presence and command attention under the spotlight. Her tall, lean frame allows her to experiment with a wide range of silhouettes, from sequined bodysuits and fringed two-pieces to ethnic fusion lehenga sets with a modern twist. One of the highlights of her stage wardrobe is her love for embellished costumes. Whether it's a heavily beaded corset top paired with shimmered high-slit pants or a holographic mini dress adorned with mirror work, every outfit is designed to reflect light, creating a sparkling effect that enhances every movement she makes on stage. She often pairs these with matching thigh-high boots or strappy heels that not only add height but also emphasize the sharpness of her choreography. Designers like Falguni Shane Peacock, Abujani Sandeep Khosla, and Manish Malhotra frequently feature in her performance wardrobe, offering her custom-made outfits that combine tradition with high glamour. Her ethnic stage looks are equally spellbinding. For performances that lean into Indian classical or Bollywood fusion, she often dons lehengas or dhoti pants paired with heavily embroidered crop tops, cholis, or bustiers. These looks are accessorized with ornate waist chains, mirror-studded belts, or metallic arm cuffs, adding a powerful edge to her feminine energy. One of her most iconic dance looks featured a red and gold lehenga set with a modern cape and bralette blouse, offering fluidity in movement while maintaining royal stage presence. She often favors colors like deep reds, midnight blues, sparkling silvers, and fiery gold shades that not only photograph well under stage lights but also carry a sense of festivity and grandeur. Her makeup is always performance-ready: bold smoky eyes, dramatic lashes, shimmer-highlighted cheekbones, and glossy lips that ensure her expressions shine through even from a distance. Hair-wise, she experiments with everything from voluminous curls and sleek ponytails to dramatic waves and embellished hairpieces, depending on the theme of the performance. Her attention to detail in her performance outfits is commendable. Each costume is designed keeping in mind mobility, impact, and visual storytelling. Fringe elements, tassels, and flowy fabric layers often play a vital role in her styling, creating a dynamic effect with every twirl and spin. Even during high-energy dance numbers, Kriti ensures her outfits are perfectly tailored to avoid wardrobe mishaps while delivering maximum drama. She works closely with stylists and costume designers to ensure every look is not only camera-friendly but also functional and breathable for rigorous choreography. Even her jewelry choices reflect this balance. She opts for lightweight statement pieces like shoulder dusters, geometric chokers, or bold cuffs that catch the light without interfering with movement. Whether it's a glamorous awards night, a film promotion event, or a special stage appearance, Kriti brings a powerful fusion of grace and boldness through her costumes. What truly sets her stage fashion apart is her ability to blend Western glam with Indian aesthetics. She might step out in a silver sequin crop top with flared pants for a peppy dance number, and then surprise the audience with a high-octane performance in a traditional ghagra paired with modern boots. Another signature aspect of Kriti Sanom's stage fashion is her ability to embrace themed performances with striking versatility. Whether the performance calls for a retro Bollywood vibe or a futuristic techno-pop style, Kriti adapts seamlessly not only through her dance but through her wardrobe. For retro-themed numbers, she's seen in outfits that pay homage to the golden era of cinema. Think high-waisted bell-bottoms with crop tops, polka-dotted skirts, and vintage-inspired jumpsuits. She doesn't shy away from fun accessories like oversized sunglasses, colorful bangles, or even dramatic headbands to complete the look. Notable highlight is Kriti's collaboration with stylists who understand stage aesthetics deeply. Her costumes are crafted with stage lighting, camera angles, and choreography dynamics in mind. For example, if a song has a lot of fast-paced spins or aerial movements, her outfits will feature flared capes, dual slits, or feathered attachments that create a dramatic swirl effect. These dynamic fabrics catch the spotlight and give her moves an almost cinematic grandeur. In some of her performances, you'll notice clever additions like reflective detailing on sleeves, holographic embellishments, and sequin trails that mimic fire or water. It's all about creating a visual spectacle that leaves a lasting impression. Even during group performances with backup dancers, Kriti makes sure her look stands out while maintaining harmony with the overall visual theme. Her outfits will usually feature a signature element, a unique neckline, a standout color contrast, or an added accessory that draws the viewer's attention directly to her. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.